Hello friends, welcome to Upmetrics AI. In this video, I walk you through the steps of creating a comprehensive storage facility business plan. We will begin by defining a business profile of our storage facility business and providing essential details so that our AI will learn more about our business idea. Then, we will ask our AI to draft a business plan for us based on the information that we just provided. After we have drafted a plan, I will guide you how you can customize and give a personalized touch to your business plan. Let's jump right in. We will start by creating a new workspace for our storage facility business. We may call it Secure Space. Let me tell you, a workspace in Upmetrics is a set of business planning tools such as a business plan builder, financial projection tool, pitch deck builder, and strategic planning templates. There are more than 50 plus strategic planning templates you can access, including a lean canvas, business model canvas, value proposition canvas, etc. Okay, so this has Open Workspace Setup Wizard. This wizard will guide you step by step over to enter a brief about your business idea. Now, next question is, what does your business do? Here, you need to define a brief about your business. For example, let's say I, John Doe, alongside my partner, am planning to launch a storage facility business called Secure Space Storage, located on the outskirts of Austin, Texas. Secure Space Storage will offer a variety of storage solutions, including self-storage units, climate-controlled spaces, and vehicle storage. Okay, so this is how you can briefly define your business idea. The next step is, what's your business tagline? You can define your tagline. If you don't have a tagline, you can ask our AI to suggest a tagline for your business. Going ahead, you need to select an industry for your business. It's storage, so select logistics and transportation is the right industry for your business. Our business is still in the idea stage. Is this company currently in operation? No, we are moving ahead. We are going to operate from the United States, so no need to change anything in the country and currency selections. Moving ahead now. Funding details, we are a bootstrap business. Yes, we are looking for some funding. Let's say we are looking for a bank loan of $150,000. The purpose of creating this business plan is to seek an investment. Now here AI will generate some set of questions that we need to answer. So our AI assistant will learn more about our business idea, and later it will help us to draft a full-fledged business plan. Let's see what set of questions it will generate for us. Okay. So the first question is, what core mission drives the creation of your storage facility, and how do you envision its impact on the community? So here you can answer these questions. That is how you have to answer 15 similar questions. For now, we are moving forward with AI-generated answers. AI has also written answers for us. You can always customize and personalize these answers. We are moving ahead with AI-generated answers to quickly move forward. So we have done answering all these 15 questions. Now going ahead here, you can invite your team members, your colleagues, your stakeholders, or the mentors to plan to do a business plan together. Now we have added all the essential details. Now it's time to generate a business plan. Our AI assistant has all the details about our business idea, so definitely it can generate a full-fledged business plan for us. Let me tell you, this is our business plan builder interface. From the left sidebar, you will find a set of business planning elements that you can simply drag and drop into your business plan. And right side business plan outline that will help you to navigate into your business plan. So it has written our business plan. Now let's take some time to read it. Secure Space is a revolutionary self-storage facility located on the outskirts of Austin, Texas, designed to offer affordable, secure storage solutions for individuals and businesses alike. Our mission is to empower our customers to manage their spaces effectively, living freely without the burden of clutter. Now, let's say if you want to improve this content, there is always an option. Our AI writing assistants will help you to automate or to improve, shorten and expand. And even you can personalize tones like persuasive and academic tones to your content. Even you can translate this content. So it has written our executive summary chapter. Even it has also embedded the sum charts. There, you can always add data over here. Let's see what it has written in our company overview. It has even added some graphical elements like a business owner chart. You can always customize this content. In the product and services section, it has created one service section for us, such as self-storage units. We are going to sell these storage units for $50 per month. For the market analysis, it has embedded a market size template that you can use to present market size, and you can identify the exact market size for your business. Let's say if you want to do a SWOT analysis for a storage facility business, what you have to do is simply just drag and drop a SWOT analysis section from the left sidebar. Just write what you want to do. Like I am writing a SWOT analysis for my business. Please write a strength section in a very brief and listicle way. Simply click on Auto Write, so it will help you to auto-write a strength section of storage facility SWOT analysis. Use this content, so it has written your content. Now you can also customize this content how you want. You can also write the other sections in the same way. Now go ahead with your financial plan. Here we see seeing all this data is empty. That is because your financial forecasting setup is yet incomplete. We need to initialize our financial modeling tool. So to initialize our financial modeling tool, we need to click on this link. To initialize here, we have to provide data for these three parameters, such as from when we are going to start our financial plan, how long we are going to do this business plan for, and from when our financial year starts. Let's say our financial plan is starting from January 2024, and we are doing a business plan for the next 3 years. And our financial year is starting from January. So once we save these settings, it will initialize our module. Here we have now options to add revenue, cost of sales, expenses, personal and funding details. We will start by adding a revenue stream over here. Now we are going to add rental storage unit revenue. Let's say we are renting 1,000 units a month, and we are charging, let's say, $80 for each unit per month. And we are expecting to have a growth of 2% month on month using our sales and marketing. So it has calculated our revenue like $80,000 we will generate in January, and from February it will generate $81,000. Let me tell you, we won't be able to generate the revenue from the beginning of our plan. That is because initial set of months, it will take some time to set up the operations in the facility. So we will be able to start generating the sales from July. Now, we are going to add the cost of sales data to add cost of sales. Let's say maintenance and upkeep costs, that is going to be applied to this business. Let's say 10% of our revenue goes into these costs. Now, we will ask AI to suggest some operating expenses of our business. Okay. So it has suggested some expenses associated with our storage facility business. such as a business license, facility repair, and maintenance services. Now electricity. Let's say $500. We are spending every month on electricity expenses. Let's say for the digital marketing of our business, we are spending $1,500. For facility and repairs, let's say some percentage of revenue, 20% of revenue, goes to facility repair services. A business license is a one-time cost. So we'll add this to the $1,000 we have spent on our business license. Now to add personnel, we'll ask AI to suggest some associated personnel expenses. It has suggested a facility manager, sales manager, and maintenance technician. Let's say, facility manager, we are paying a $5,000 salary to our facility manager with a 10% increment year on year. For the maintenance technician, we are paying him $4,500 with a 10% increment. For the sales manager, we are paying him $3,500 with a 10% increment year on year. So we have added personal expenses, cost of sales, and revenue data. Now it's time to add a bank loan. The funding details. We are seeking $150,000 of funding from the bank, as in a small business loan. The term would be 24 months with an interest rate of 12% a year. The loan forecast has been calculated. Now it's time to add assets. We are adding assets like construction or purchase of storage units or security systems. Let's say we are spending $100,000 for this, and this is the long-term assets. So 50% salvage value. So it will calculate depreciation based on our salvage value. Now we have done with adding all the financial components. Now it's time to see how it is calculated over all the financial important metrics like cash flow, break-even, etc. Let's see the dashboard. It has calculated cash in, cash out, net cash, and funding requirements. We still need $83,366 in funding in order to start this business. We will be profitable by September 2024. We will start selling from July. The cash flow chart is looking like this. Now, under the report section, you will find all three key reports such as a profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, and other reports like break-even, ratio analysis, and many other reports like accounts receivable, accounts payable, income tax, sales tax, inventory, and other working capital reports. Now moving back to the financial section of our business plan. Under the financial section now, we are able to see data on our profit and loss report. We can see this has pulled the data from our financial planning module. So let's say if you want to embed some financial charts or reports in your business plan, you can simply drag and drop the reports or the charts from here. Let's say if you want to display a break-even chart in your business plan, simply drag and drop it over here. It will display a break-even chart in your business plan. Now, we are done with creating a comprehensive business plan for your storage facility business. Now it's time to design covered pages, and you will find a set of cover page options over here. There are also options available to pick a brand color scheme. You may also download our business plan in PDF and doc format. You can also share it online using a link. Now we just created a business plan for your storage facility business. Remember, this is just a blueprint for your foundation. With Upmetrics, you can refine your forecast, tailor your strategies, and adapt your plan to meet the demands of your target market. Try Upmetrics to create your business plan today. Join us in our next video for more such business planning tips and strategies for your storage facility business startup. Till now, thank you. Goodbye.